high RPM niches are really important for both YouTube and TikTok. If you don't know what RPM means, it's simply how much you earn for every 1000 views. Both YouTube and TikTok have different RPMs based on your niche. If you still don't understand this concept, here's an example. If you upload cute animal videos like this, the RPM will be $2 to $3 highest. But if you upload videos about finance and making money online, that number could be as high as $12 to $17. In this video, I'll give you 3 high RPM niches for both TikTok and YouTube, since both YouTube and TikTok are paying high money through their creativity programs and partner programs. Number 1 will be the highest RPM. If this video helped, please subscribe anyways. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 3 on our list is tech-related content. Trust me, everyone loves this kind of videos. Tech-related means you can show off a brand new phone and unbox it, give your opinion, or you can even do courses on AI. There are so many options in this one niche. But if you don't have much knowledge about this technological tech things, whatever, you will go crazy. Trust me, you will go crazy after posting consistently. Now number 2 on our list is history niche. Everyone loves to listen to historical facts, and these contents are really easy to make. I have made 2 videos on how to make those videos. Feel free to check it out after watching this one. 80% of history videos can be made with AI, and if you're good with history, this niche is just perfect for you. And finally, number 1 on our list and the most high-paying niche is make money online. This niche is hard and requires a lot of knowledge about businesses. In this niche, you can talk about dropshipping, side hustle, and other passive income sources. Sorry for making this video really fast and really short. But that's all for today. If this information helped, make sure to check out the video on the screen for more high RPM and CPM niche ideas. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one.